Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster and today it is all about your pout because I have with me the Sugar Cosmetics mini lip crayon set. Now this is what it looks like. It contains 3 lip crayons from the very popular Matte as Hell crayon range from Sugar Cosmetics. They are miniature in size, but they still come with the very creamy and soft matte finish lip crayon formula from this range. So enough about me talking about it. We are going to see how it looks as I give you a close-up of the set as well as a swatch of it. The Sugar Cosmetics mini lip crayon set comes in this kind of a container. It is a rectangular matte finished black colored box made of metal. It is fairly shallow, as you can see. I am opening it up to show you the lip crayons in this set. Now inside are 3 mini lip crayons from the set. This is what they look like, and each of these lip crayons contain 2.5 grams of product. In this set you can see the shades are completely different from each other. The first lip crayon is the Matte as Hell 01 Scarlett O'Hara, that is quite a bright red shade. Second one is 07 Viola, which is, I would say, a mauve nude colored shade. And the third one is 15 Stephanie Plum, which is, as the name suggests, a plum colored berry shade. This is what they look like, and the box has a bit of backing to it so that the lipsticks are placed in very securely. As you can see, they don't move around, they don't tilt around, they are placed in very well. Now this is a close-up of what the shades in this set look like. This is it. You can see them fairly well. It's nice that they have these colored bottoms on each of the crayons so that you can tell what the shade is from the outside as well. There are more details about the product and their packaging on the crayon itself, where they are made, their expiry dates, as well as the ingredients in these. That is what these look like. Now I have with me number 33 Pepper Anderson. The shade is a bright red color, and this is a full size Matte as Hell lip crayon. However, though the shade is different currently, it is the same formula as you get in the mini lip crayon set, which you saw the details of. So to show you a look and a close-up of the formula, I am going to swatch this for you on my hand. Note that the shade is not the same, however the formula is the same. It has a crayon finish. As you can see, it's sharpenable but not a retractable crayon. So I am just going to swipe it right here on my hand. Single stroke look like this. After you saw a close-up of the mini lip crayon set as well as a look of what its formula is like, here's a little bit more about the range itself. Now the Matte as Hell crayon range from Sugar Cosmetics has so many winning features. As you saw from the swatch, it instantly transfers a very pigmented coat of color to the skin. A single stroke of that delivered a jet clear amount of color on the skin, which is so beautiful. Once you feel it, it also feels very creamy and very soft, so it does feel comfortable on the skin, as you can see from here. However, it doesn't set to a proper finish. You cannot say that it is transfer proof because it does not set in place. As you can see from these swatches, it does transfer onto my fingers when I smudge it, but on the lips it does sit so well. It sits very comfortably. In fact, you will feel like you are not wearing any lipstick at all. There are so many winning points to this particular range, so it is absolutely amazing to see it in a miniature form. Even though you think of lipsticks as being miniature, they do not have any kind of downside to them, because they may be smaller in size, but more often than not you will not run short of them. There is still so much of quantity to these lipsticks, and with this kind of a set, it allows you to get so many more shades in one kind of a container. You won't have to pick and choose too much. You get all of the best of shades in this container, and the best part is, apart from the shades of course, is you get that amazing pigmented, creamy, soft matte finish in this particular set, and it allows you to really play with color. You saw the colors of the set are beautiful plums, nudes, reds, so you can choose. You have so much versatility in terms of choosing, so you get to pick the kind of shade that you like, and you also get that great kind of formula with it in this miniature set.